जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 113th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vrushakarmane Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that every of your action is beneficiary to each and every sentient and insentient in this entire creation. Most importantly, O Srimannarayana, I realize that every of your action is very much beneficiary to the entire mankind, for them to make sure their very purpose of life is served. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your divine feet. Om Vrushakarmane Namaha. Om Vrushakarmane Namaha. Let us visualize Srimannarayana within our own heart, and let us realize and understand that from there we get all kind of suggestions, we get all kind of guidance. That is the source for everything for us to be elevated and enlightened. With that kind of realization, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Valmiki Ramayanam, Dasaratha Maharaju came into palace of Kaikeyi, started searching for her, and finally found Kaikeyi sleeping on the ground with all dirty cloths on her. And Dasaratha Maharaju approached Kaikeyi and slowly, with touching her, he is asking, "Ho Devi, Ho Kaikeyi, Nateham abhijanami. I do not know why you are upset. Please let me know if anything is bothering you. Are you okay? Is all your health is okay? If not, let me know. We have such a wonderful, very professional doctors who can look into every kind of disease. Please let me know." Then Dasaratha Maharaju is also adding to this, that saying that, "Ho Kaikeyi, I am ready to even give away my life for you. To that amount I am just 100% ready to do anything what you want. I am also swearing upon the entire of punyam that I have earned so far, that I am swearing upon that, saying that I can do whatever you want. I will not go back." Like that, when Dasaratha Maharaju said, Kaikeyi is now responding, "Ho Prabhu, Ho Natha, I am not ill. My health is okay. My health is doing good. And nobody rejected me. I am doing okay. But I would like to remind you that sometime back you promised me to do whatever I want. You promised me to give 2 boons. Now this is the time that you have to give those 2 boons for me. Again, do promise on that you will not go back. Now I am going to be revealing my two boons, what exactly I want. So I would like to get one more time that you are very much stable, you are very much resolved to give me those two boons. Again she asked, then now Dasaratha Maharaju saying that, "Ho Kaikeyi, he has taken Kaikeyi's head into his lap, and while touching her head nicely with so much of love, he is saying that, Ho Kaikeyi, out of all my wives, you are my most beloved wife. Out of all my sons, Rama is my most beloved son. Now I am swearing upon my Rama that I shall definitely give you what you want. Yam muhurtam apasyamstu najiveyam aham dhruvam." You know that. Everyone realized that without seeing my Rama, I cannot be alive even for a second. To that extent, I am fond of Rama. On that Rama, I am now swearing upon, saying that I shall never go back. I shall definitely give you what you want. Ho Kaikeyi, if someone says that entire world is one side and Rama is other side, which one you would choose? If someone asks me, I would definitely take only Rama but reject entire world. To that extent, I love my Rama. Ho Kaika, now I am saying that I am swearing upon my Rama, and I am saying that I shall definitely give you what you want. Like this, Dasaratha Maharaju emphasized upon his stability to give her boons whatever she wants. After listening to all this, now Kaikeyi is getting ready to disclose what she wants. We will learn what is she asking from Dasaratha Maharaju, how she is asking from Dasaratha Maharaju, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us now sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama. 12th Sloka. Vasuhu Vasumanaha Satyah Samatma Sammitasamaha Amoghaha Pundarikaksho Vrushakarma Vrushakrutihi. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Please make sure the namam that we are going to be saying now, the small story from Ramayana that we discussed, is remembered by you until you get next namam and next episode from Ramayana. That is what is known as tapas. In 4th chapter, Sri Krishna Paramatma says, Janma karma cha me divyam evam yo vetti tattvataha tyaktva deham punarjanma naiti mameti sorjuna. Even if you remember one small incident episode from my divine stories and from my Namam, that will definitely take care of you in each and every aspect and respect as long as you travel through this body, and after the travel also you will be definitely attaining me just by remembering a small episode from my stories. That is what assurance given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in 4th chapter. That is what we are doing. So consciously try to recall and remember this story and this Namam until tomorrow you get other one. Then you all will be perfectly all right, and whatever you want, whatever you are craving, that all will be resolved. You do not have to go and find other source. This is the tapas where you get all boons. Om Vrushakarmane Namaha. Om Vrushakarmane Namaha. Om Vrushakarmane Namaha.